Hey guys, welcome back to a video. Today we have some trucks from Monster Construction 2. So yeah, here's some info that I have for you guys. So, of course, for every video game that's ever produced, we always have canceled things, and these are some canceled trucks that I so badly wish were gonna be in the game, but they are sadly not. These were literally gonna be my favorite trucks ever in the game, but of course, every game has canceled features, and these trucks are those canceled features that we'll probably most likely not get to see ever again. It's just sad, but yeah, I'm just gonna play the clip, guys, of the trucks. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. More videos coming soon. I will be making a video very soon, probably today or tomorrow, about trucks that are coming in the game, so then you guys can know what trucks are coming in the game in total. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys next time. Goodbye.